Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In previous video, I have explained what is ChatGPT and how ChatGPT works and how we can use ChatGPT to generate various types of content like emails, articles and some code examples, and we can generate a lot more content using ChatGPT. So at a high level, we can say ChatGPT is a powerful chatbot that can be used to generate content quickly. We just need to ask questions and it will generate the response based on its training data, and it continuously learning the things by our conversations that we do with ChatGPT. You should watch my previous video to know more about ChatGPT and you can find the link in description for the same. So in today's video, we will build a website using ChatGPT without writing any code and with the help of ChatGPT. So if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss out on my videos. So we will create a website in Angular that will have responsive design and some basic sections like header, home page content, services section, about section, and contact section and footer section. So this is a blank Angular app that I just created and installed Bootstrap and ng Bootstrap and npm packages and added Bootstrap CSS file path in angular.json. And this is our app component that have only this static string. Now we will go to ChatGPT and we'll ask it to generate content as per our need. Now we will start our chat and we'll ask it like generate responsive header using Angular and Bootstrap. So it generated the code and explained about it, and it includes three links in a bar. First is home, second about, and third is contact. We can change these links according to our use, but for now we will copy it in our app component. So we will just replace our HTML here. So this app is already running in browser, so we'll see it how it's looking. Wow, it generated our header and it looks great, and it is responsive or not we can see. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, but this button is not working, but we can check that. Now we will ask to generate home page section. So we will continue our conversation with ChatGPT like generate home page section. So code is ready. As you can see here, we haven't mentioned Angular and Bootstrap in our question, but it remembers our language choice and it is generating the content for Angular and Bootstrap only. Now we will copy it and paste it in our app component. Let's see it in browser how it looks. Yeah, so it looks great. And now we will continue to our next section. Like now we need to generate code for services section. So we will ask it like generate services section. So our code is ready and we can see here it generated the code for services section and it is using some image paths. So first we will copy it and we'll paste it in our component. So for these images we can get random images from Pixum. So I'll go to there and we'll copy it. So from here I'll pick this path and we'll paste it. For dummy images we can always use this site. It has no copyrights. So now let's see it in browser how it looks. Yeah, looks like the image size is very high. We can reduce it. So this is width and this is height. So we can reduce it 100 by 100. We will keep it. Now that will be small. We will use 200 by 200. This time it looks fine and it created some cards, and in these cards we can update our content easily. Now we'll ask to generate our about section, and again we will ask it like generate about section. Our code is ready and we will copy it in our app component. Again paste it. Let's see it in browser. So after services section we have this about us, but there is a less space between these sections. So anyways we can design it. We can do some manipulation in design, but for now we will move to our next section, and now we will generate content for contact us. So generate contact us section. So again, code is ready and we will copy it. And we'll see it in browser. App is refreshed. So this contact form is great and it is generated in very less time. If we are going to write this HTML, then definitely we need more time, but it saves our time. Now we will ask to generate a footer section. So let's see. Again we will ask it generate footer section. So again code is ready, but this time it uses some property. So we need to add it in our component. So we'll copy it. We need to create this property in our TS file. Current year we can mark like 2023. So let's see it in browser. Yeah, in footer section as well, there is a copyright text and some links that we can alter. So this is how it generated this website, and we can check if it is responsive or not. So this button we can check definitely, but overall this design looks fine and it saves a lot of time. And for a normal website, we just need to update this content and our website will be ready. This is a great thing, guys. Now we can do our changes in website content according to our use, and then our website is ready. So this is how we can build a website using ChatGPT in minutes. But we should have knowledge of language in which we are going to build that website, because sometimes it generates some incorrect responses. So we need to cross verify. Just like right now this button is not working. So we need to check it why it's not working. If you want to know anything about ChatGPT or any other things in Angular or .NET technologies, do let me know in comments. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it and share it with your friends, and please subscribe the channel to watch similar kind of videos.